Let's make a pizza dough. Hey everybody, Donnie Agers with Kith & Kin Real Estate. Just want to go over this pizza dough recipe with you. Step number one is make sure you get your Kith & Kin swag on, and then you're ready to make some pizza dough. I have my mise en place here. In one bowl I have 1 cup of flour, and in the other bowl I have 1 1/3 cups of flour. In one ramekin I have all my dry ingredients, including my yeast, salt, sugar, and spices. In another cup I have my warm water and olive oil. Step one, I'm gonna mix all my dry ingredients in with the 1 cup of flour. Step 2, I'm gonna mix in my warm water and olive oil. And I'm gonna stir with my wooden spoon. So as I'm stirring, I'm now gonna mix in more flour gradually. And after 2 stirs, you should have something that looks just about like this. Let's make some pizza dough. Just kidding. I actually needed this, and that's the way it looks now. I have about 1/3 cup of flour left in the bowl, which means I used about a full cup of flour to add to the dough. Next, I'm gonna take some olive oil into a bowl, and with a basting brush or a paper towel, coat your bowl with olive oil. Lastly, place your flour inside the bowl to rest and cover it with a towel. It's always better to use a towel that has a funny print on it. We'll cover this for a half hour while we prep our other ingredients for our pizza. All right, and we're back after 29 minutes because we're impatient. And look at what we got. Ooh. Oh, nice and fluffy. Boys. So what I'm gonna do is cut this into 2 equal parts for 2 pizzas. All right, and there you have it, pizza dough. All right, now after the pizza dough's been rolled out, I'm gonna use my fork to poke a bunch of holes in it so it doesn't bubble up in the oven. And next we'll add our ingredients. All right, now we got our pizzas. This one's gonna be interesting, I'll keep you posted. Now these are going in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes. Boom! And for the reveal! Boom. Now look at these pies, they look awesome. I did something a little bit different with my pie. I'm cooking most of my ingredients separate and then adding them on later because they're a little bit more delicate to cook. And there you have it. You have taco pizza and you have shrimp and egg white pizza with arugula. Now if you want to follow along but you didn't have the recipe, please reach out to me. You can subscribe to our newsletter that gets snail mailed out once a month with a new recipe and some updated market data for the real estate market here in Central Oregon. And the last and final step is to enjoy with loved ones while you watch Avatar 2.